Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm showing you how to remove the background on a green screen, or how to essentially use a green screen. Okay, so I have this video of a cat. Okay, as you can see, it has a green screen. The very first thing you want to do is move that so that the audio clip, is on the second layer up. Okay, choose your background as well and put that in the one below it. Okay, that's really important. As you see, I have my background here. So head over into your effects tab. I already have it selected, but let's do it again. You want to search key and you want to head on down to ultra key. Okay, drag and drop that onto your main video. Okay, the one with the green screen. Of course, select it, head up into effect controls where I am up here. On your ultra key tab, which you've added in with that effect, you want to get key color and you want to use this little widget here. Press it, press the green screen. And as you can see, it's already worked. Okay, green screen is gone and the cat now has a background. If it doesn't fit just right, literally select this one in effect and change the position and scale. I'm not going to show you that. It's pretty basic Premiere Pro. I have a video on it. That is literally it. Okay, that's how you remove the green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.